Okay, so what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to talk about how best you can manage your risk when trading forex. Okay, so I've seen a lot of people there, losing a lot of money because of lack of risk management. So risk management is an important part of trading that, if you take it into consideration, is going to make you a lot of money. Right? So risk management is something that we all have to take into consideration. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can best manage your risk. Okay, how best you can manage your risk in order to make a lot of money in the financial market. So I'm going to talk about the basis one we know, which I know if you're a trader up there, everybody know this basis one. I'm going to take you guys all through my phone, where I'm going to show you the best way to set risk management. Okay, so guys, in today's video, the first thing I'm going to talk about is about setting stop loss and take profit. So we have some traders there that all that they do is that they just want to go into the financial market, just press some button, make money and go away, and they think they are done. No, guys, never trade like that. Okay, before you can be a successful trader in 2025, always remember to set your stop loss and your take profit. For those of you who are new, that you don't know what stop loss or take profit is, I'm going to my phone. Don't worry if you don't understand everything I'm saying, just don't worry. Okay, I'm going to take you guys to my phone screen, where I'm going to be explaining everything to you about the stop loss, the take profit, and how best you can also set it. Okay, now the second one that a lot of people that talk about is about what? Risking small amount of money. Okay, for you traders out there, you can know that they are talking about, say, stop loss, say, risk a small amount of money, and use leverage wisely. Okay, when they say use leverage wisely, it's a broad topic on its own, which I feel like I'm going to explain in my other videos coming. Okay, using a small leverage. Now, a leverage is a very broad topic. It's a very broad topic that if I want to go deeper into it, this video is going to be very, very long. Okay, today I'm not going to explain it deep. I'm just coming to show you how best you can manage your risk, or how you can take risk management in trading, so that you can be a successful trader in 2025. Okay, so quickly, let's go to my phone screen, where I'm going to explain everything to you into details. Guys, if this is your first time watching me, my name is Shapiro. I said I do video about how to make money online. So if you are somebody there who is all about making money online, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon below, so that you can be notified anytime I drop videos like this. Let's go. Okay, so here we are on my full screen. I can see this is my trading account. Okay, and this is my chart. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can properly set your stop loss and take profit if you are somebody who takes signal. Okay, guys, if you are somebody who do analysis on your laptop, then this video is not for you. Okay, because by now you will know how to set stop loss and take profit. Okay, you can do the calculation on your laptop and you can input the figures here. But if you are somebody who takes signal from other people, this video is for you. Okay, you must watch what I'm coming to explain in this video. Okay, so let's assume your mentor give you the signal, then your mentor was like, okay, go and buy good or go and sell good. Now when you come here, let's assume a mentor give you a signal, a random signal. Now you enter the signal, you realize that the stop loss is too much, that if it hit the stop loss, you're going to lose your money. Or this is how best you can set it. So let's assume my mentor gave me, okay, let me go and sell good. My mentor says you should go and sell good. Okay, now the first thing that you have to consider is the lot size, which I'm not going to explain in this video. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys, okay, I'm going to give you, if those of you who are in my Telegram group, I'm going to give you guys the account type and the lot size that you can use. So click on the link below so that I can join my Telegram group, where I'll share some tips like this. Okay, now depending on your account, let me change my lot size real quick. So depending on your account, that's what the type of lot size you are going to use. Okay, so this is my account. So let's assume my mentor said, okay, I should go and buy good. Now if I come here as a beginner, I'll click on a buy. You can see I'll click on a buy. Now the next question that you have to ask yourself again is that, okay, how much am I willing to risk per trade? This is very, very important. Never enter a trade without making this decision. Let's assume I have an account of $600. So I was like, okay, I'm willing to lose $100 per trade. Then I must be in a position of what? Gaining $200. So always remember to use the ratio of 2:1. Means that if you are risking a certain amount of money, you have to be targeting a double amount portion of that amount of money to make. Okay, so now we are in the trade. Okay, now let's set our stop loss. Now the first, how to set the stop loss and take profits here, the first thing that you're supposed to do is to click. You can see we have what? Buy 0.1 here, so you click on it. Now when you click on it, you can see you have close, you have the stop loss and the take profit. So you click on the stop loss here. Now mind you, we are risking what? $100 per trade on this particular trade, which I use a random trade. There is no calculation. I didn't do any calculation, just random. I'm just using to teach. Okay, so we screw our stop loss down real quick. Let me screw it down real quick. So we have the $100 somewhere around here, because I'm ready to risk $100 per this trade. So I'll put as my $100 here. Then my TP, So I should be targeting what, $200 as I explained. So I'll send it high to my 200. So my $200 is somewhere around here. Real quick, guys, this is how you're supposed to trade, so that if at any signal that your mentor is going to give you, you're not going to be risking your account all. So this is the best way for you to adjust your TP and take profit in order to not to risk your account all, in order to what, ascertain the risk management. Now after doing all this, you can see we have an arrow here, so you click on the arrow and click on modify. So that means if this trade didn't go in our favor, we will be what, losing $100. You can see it. But in case it go in our favor, we'll be making what, $200. So that's the basic understanding of risk management, and that's the basic way that you can set your risk management as a beginner trader. If you are a trader, that if you are somebody who takes signal from other people, this is the best thing for you to do. Never over leverage, never over risk. Very, very important. Never over leverage, never over risk. So guys, this is the best way, or this is what I have for you to talk about risk management. In case you have any question, any comments, any suggestion, please put it below. Okay, comment below. I'm going to reply to all comments. And guys, as I said earlier, just be expecting more trading videos from me. In case you have something bothering you, want me to also touch it, make sure that you comment his social media handle so that I can be updated anytime I drop signals like this. See you in my next video, and I'm out.